In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fund your Exness account or how to send money from your wallet. In this case, this is a Binance wallet, but it can be any wallet of your choice or what you're using already. So you're gonna see how to send money from your wallet to your Exness account. So what you do, first of all, I assume that you already have a Exness account already. You've gone through the process of verifying your account and all that, because you can see that after opening your Exness account, you need to go through a verification process. You can see that, for example, this account is fully verified. See verification progress, it's fully verified, all those things. So and to verify is not complicated. You will simply show your identity or your something that show your address, maybe a driver's license or anything similar, your bills, anything. So guys, to do that, you need to have your account first, and you create your trading account. And once you have a trading account like this one, you can see that there is a button to deposit or to withdraw. So you're gonna open your wallet. See that mine is already opened, and you see that there is some balance that I would like to send. So you simply go to your wallet, and then you click on deposit. After clicking on deposit, you're gonna see these two options: crypto wallet or all payment methods. So among those options that you're gonna get, there will be bank account, bank cards, for example, like the first option that you see here. See, sometimes I do deposit using my bank card, or also you can use an option to use Binance Pay, Bitcoin, and all that. But this first option here, it comes after adding your cards. Before that, you only have this option. You click here, or for example, if I want to add a new card, I'll click here, and then I'll get an option to add the card. This one is because it's already registered. I've already used it before. Okay, so for this case, I'm gonna choose Binance Pay, because I'm going to transfer this money that is here on Binance, and I'm gonna transfer it here at this broker Exness. So I'm gonna click on Binance Pay here, and once you're here, you simply scroll up like this, and you see that they say use the verified account that belongs to you. Only deposit from the verified Binance Pay account registered under your name using multiple accounts. Okay, so they obviously the account need to be yours. It must be registered under your name, and what you do next is you come here and you add the amount of money you want to deposit. For this case, let me just add 100. Okay, and you see, since my account is in cent, $100 is gonna be 10,000 cent. And maybe you're asking yourself, why is it in cent? I did this because if you're trading using a small amount of money, a small capital, it's very important to use this option of send. Some brokers do allow to open a cent account, and but some other broker don't have this option to open a cent account. You see, when I do it like this $100 will become like 10,000, and I'm gonna use it as if it's 10k USD. See, but it will be 10k cent. But why, when I'm doing my setup and all that, I'll be able to use the numbers as it is. Otherwise, if you use $100 only, it will be very hard to deal with those spreads and all that. When you're placing your stop losses and all that, it may be complicated if you know how to trade. I know you know what I mean. But if you have 10k, you have a room to play with, though it is not big money. But we've sent, it become like big money. And also once you're ready to add up your capital, it's easier. Let's say for example, if you have a plan to start with 10,000, okay, and maybe you're a beginner, you haven't traded for a long time, it's very important to open a cent account and you only put $10. After putting $10, it will become 1,000, okay, just exactly as what you're planning to use once you get that of your capital. Then you'll start trading with that 1,000 cent as if you're using $1,000. And you do it when it's time to put your capital, you'll be doing it exactly as you've been doing it with 1,000 cent. I don't know if you're getting my point, guys. So for my case here, this $100 to be 1,000 tens. That's what will be deposited on my Exness account, and I'll be trading it as if it's 10K. When it's time to put my capital, I'll put 10K, and I'll trade the same way. And it's easier. It's easier to deal with big numbers than dealing with small numbers. So I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna click on continue here so that we can proceed with our deposit. Okay, and you can see that from here, see deposit, Binance, blah blah, $100, no commission. 1 USD equal to 100. Okay, we see a one USD is equals to 100 US cent. Okay, so you divide by 0.01. So now I'm gonna click on confirm again. So it's gonna load. So it's very important to use a cent account if you know you have a big capital, or if you know you're brand new, you're a newbie. It's very important. Don't let anybody fools you, telling you that no man, don't use cent account, don't do blah 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 blah. See, okay, here they want me to confirm. Please do not close the scan to pay. Okay, they want me to confirm to continue. Okay, I'm gonna click on continue. Yeah, it is very important to, okay, they want me to enter my email address. I'm gonna hide a little bit and then enter my email address, so that after entering the email address that you used when you created your Binance account, that's what it's gonna be required. After entering your email address and the password that you've used while setting your Binance account, after entering all those information, you're gonna be on this page where they show you that they're going to deduct some little money on the amount, on the specific amount that you want to deposit. You can see that 2 USD is gonna be deducted. So I'm gonna click on confirm here. They are saying the operation could not be completed. Please try again later. Maybe it's simply because I'm taking longer to explain. I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do it while I'm not filming, and I'm gonna show you here. It will be 0, and also in my Exness account, you'll see that instead of 1,000 US cent, you'll be that it will be 11,000 US cent. I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna show you later. I want to let you guys so that you won't have any issues while doing this. You know, there are with Exness. Okay, let me show you. Exness have two apps. There is this Exness, this normal app, okay, but also there is this Exness web app, or you can simply go to the web and search Exness and do it from there. So instead of doing it on this app, this normal app that we use while trading, let me open it. Instead of using that one, just use the web one. Okay, if you do it on this one, wow, no, not yet. If you use this one, it will be kind of complicated. Okay, it will be complicated. It won't go through automatically. But if you use this one, here, it will be smooth. Everything will be all right. It was only possible because I used this one. It also, it's faster if you use that one. Yeah. And for this one, inside it looks like this. Okay, the web one doesn't have a lot of things. Very simple. So you see that this is demo account, is demo account here. This is real account. It's on real account here. So you can see that the money we transacted is already there. Say free margin 11k. See, 11k. So now if we go to the normal one, this one here, probably it is already there now. See, that's now it's 11k. It's 11k, 11,000 US cent. So this is how you do it, guys. If you want to deposit money in your trading account, maybe you knew, or it is kind of complicated, just this is how you can do it. Simply remember to use the web app. And sometimes if you use Binance or any other app, sometimes they want you to set up your password that you'll be using while doing transactions. So in case you've set that password, they may want you to type in the password for them to let you withdraw like automatically. And let me remind you guys, in case you don't have an Exness account or a Binance account, if you don't have an account already, you can check at this video description. Just click on more details. If you click on more under this video, you're gonna see the description of this video, and you're gonna find links that will take you to the platforms in case you don't have the account already on Exness or a Binance account. You can find a link that will take you there. So thank you very much. I hope you learned something from the video. If you learned something from the video, smash the like button as always. And also, if you're not part of my YouTube family already, be sure to subscribe. Join my YouTube family, and I'll be more than happy to see you in my next video.